Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be creating a desert night scene using Paint 3D. I will tell you how to draw a simple but amazing desert under moonlight. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, for the night desert scene, choose a dark color and start drawing the sky. Now, to bring the sky to life, select Pixel Pen from the brush tool and set the color to white and add some stars. Now, let's turn to desertification. Use the sandy color and draw wavy lines on the bottom of the canvas. Now, let's draw a small cactus or select the cactus from the 3D shape tool. For extra details, we will add some small desert features like rocks and bushes. To add touch of realism, let's create moonlight. Choose a spray can brush and spray a light color. Let's add moon shining in the sky. Go to the 3D shapes section and select the spherical shape. Draw a circle at the top of the canvas. Then select concrete structure from the stickers and draw it like this. Go to the Effects tab and play with the lighting setting and highlight the moon and create. This will make the scene looks more dramatic and realistic. So guys, here a beautiful desert night scene drawn in Paint 3D. For more interesting and creative tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Thank you.